we in that assets only phase. But it was hard to believe people were living here. There was caked up dirt on the walls and floors. Cobwebs hung from the ceiling like no one lived there for years.
Just going to rip all this down.
Sorry,
No, you good, man. Yes, there's just a small bedroom. Can we take a look in this room here? They just got dressers and stuff like that in there.
While going through, they kept mentioning, we're cleaning up, we're cleaning up. We even saw them sweeping these floors that really needed to be scraped. And it turns out they had guests that they welcomed.
Prepare. Oh, shit. Look at that. Leave that bitch. Turn that motherfucker away.
Oh, yeah. So rip all that to the studs.
Yeah.
Everyone has their own choice of living style, but this was different.
Yeah, all this gotta go.
We really wanted to leave, but it was time to check out the basement. Okay.
Pipes behind that wall over there, cold water pipes, they burst during the wintertime.
This heat wasn't working out.
Right. So we continue to walk through who knows what. It was hard not to notice how much pain it seemed like the guy was in as he showed us around. Let us know what you think about this. Do you think this house can be saved? Do you think these people need rescued? Comment below.
Alrighty, well y'all have a good one.
Think about it. Wait, hold on. Don't make sense. If it don't make dollars, it don't make sense.